Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings and click on Themes section. Now select Themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the lobe at the top right one. Then you can type in wherever you wish to or click on one of those options or one of those colors, like pink. Then select the best theme for you by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with that one and click on download. Now select apply and wait. As you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed, but you can always go back into the default one by accessing settings and clicking on themes one more time. But this time, click on Menu at the bottom left corner, tap on My Stuff and select Themes. Then click on the default one and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!